What if you could unravel tension and create more ease in your body with gentle seated stretches you can do in a chair? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and welcome to our 10-day Chair Yoga Challenge. If you're new here, this is a simple, safe program designed for those with stiff joints, limited mobility, or anyone who wants to create more ease in their body, all from the comfort of your chair. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this relaxing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, focusing on 3-part breath. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. With an inhale, feel your navel move away from your spine. And on your exhale, feel your navel slowly draw back towards your spine, breathing in and out through your nose. And in the second part, place your right hand over your right rib cage. Inhale from your belly to your ribs, feeling the expansion of your breath. And when you're ready, exhale belly, then ribs. Adding the third part, place your left hand over your heart. Inhale belly, ribs, and chest, feeling your heart buoyant. Exhale belly, ribs, and chest. Continue with this smooth, even breath as we move through our practice. Beginning with the seated cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, and with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center. Moving into a lateral stretch variation. Reach your right hand to your left leg and your left arm up and over to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips. Breathing wide into your left side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, reach your left hand to your right leg and reach your right arm up and over to the left. Taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Breathing wide into your right side body. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, draw your right knee in towards your chest. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, round, drawing your forehead towards your knee. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, keeping your shoulders down, away from your ears, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, shoulders, spine, hips, and legs. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, draw your left knee in towards your chest. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, round, drawing your forehead towards your knee. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. Release and return to center. Moving into a gentle hip opener. Sitting tall, draw your right knee in towards your chest. Place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, breathing wide into your right outer hip. Continue breathing deeply as you lift your torso to upright, moving into tree pose. Maintain your legs and place your hands together in prayer position, or optional to reach your arms overhead, keeping your spine long, lengthening your tailbone towards the earth, lightly lifting through your lower belly. Release, moving into a seated twist variation. Keep your right leg where it is, and use your left hand to draw your right leg in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist to the right, placing your right hand behind you for support, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip, thigh, and spine. Stay connected to your breath as you release, and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Sitting tall, draw your left knee in towards your chest. Place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase the stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases, breathing wide into your left outer hip. Stay connected to your breath as you lift your torso to upright, moving into tree pose. Maintain your legs and place your hands together in prayer position, or optional to reach your arms overhead. Continue to invite space and a steady breath, keeping your spine long, lengthening your tailbone towards the earth, lightly firming your lower ribs in. Release, moving into a seated twist variation. Keep your left leg where it is. Use your right hand to draw your left leg in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist to the left, placing your left hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Release and return to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation with your hands to the seat of your chair. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, shoulders, spine, abdomen, chest, and neck. Release and return to center. Place the soft pads of your fingertips to the top and center of your forehead. Using a light touch, gently glide down to your temples. Continue with this movement, breathing deeply, releasing any tension. Pause with your fingertips at your temples and begin to make small circles, using a light touch, releasing any tension. Moving into a massage for your jaw, using the soft pads of your fingertips, begin to make small circles on the hinge of your jaw, making sure to release your tongue from the roof of your mouth and the backs of your teeth. Release and return to center. Begin to rub your hands together vigorously, creating warmth, energy. Place your cup palms over your eyes and feel the prana creating balance, releasing tension around your eyes, behind your eyes, and in your mind. Take deep, nourishing breaths and then release your hands, moving into final relaxation. Find yourself in a comfortable position, sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Take a few breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth, allowing any tension in your body to release as you slowly exhale. Bring your attention to your breath, focusing on the sensation of your breath as it moves in and out. Allow your breath to be easy and natural now, as you consciously relax your body one area at a time. Feel your forehead smooth and calm, and all the tiny muscles in your face soften. Relax your jaw and release your tongue from the roof of your mouth and the backs of your teeth. Feel your shoulders relax away from your ears, releasing any tension through your neck and upper back. Feel your arms relax all the way down through your hands and fingers. Bring your awareness to your chest, feeling your heart open. Bring your attention to your belly as you inhale and exhale, releasing any tension. Bring your attention to your back body, relaxing through your low back, mid back, and upper back. Bring your attention to your hips and legs, releasing any fatigue. Feel your feet resting on the earth, releasing any tension or fatigue through the soles of your feet, toes, and ankles. Continue breathing deeply, feeling a sense of calm and relaxation, letting go of any unnecessary effort in your body as you rest. You can stay here resting as long as you'd like, and when you're ready, begin to deepen your breath, adding some gentle movement, waking your body up. Stretch and reach your arms overhead, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. Take a moment to notice how your body feels. Maybe you're feeling a little more relaxed, a little less stiff, or maybe just a bit more centered and calm. If you're loving this challenge and want the full program organized and easy to follow, head on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can find this series plus hundreds of more sessions for every level. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.